What if I told you $100 could turn into $28 million in just 10 years? Sounds crazy, right? Well, that's exactly what early Bitcoin investors experienced. Back in 2010, one Bitcoin cost less than $1. Today, it's trading above $50,000, an eye-popping return of over 28 million%. But don't rush off to buy Bitcoin just yet. Over the same decade, the stock market returned about 300% and real estate appreciated steadily. Plus, it delivered ongoing rental income. So, which one should you choose if you want to build real wealth? Is it the volatile world of crypto, the tried and true stock market, or the tangible security of real estate? In this video, we'll break down each option, compare their risks, rewards, and ease of getting started, so you can decide which path to wealth fits you best. All right, let's kick things off with Bitcoin. What is it? Simply put, Bitcoin is a decentralized digital currency launched in 2009 by the mysterious Satoshi Nakamoto. It runs on blockchain technology, which keeps every transaction transparent and secure. No banks required. Bitcoin's price history is nothing short of a roller coaster. From under $1 in 2010 to nearly $70,000 at its peak in 2021, its growth has been explosive, but it's also extremely volatile. Prices can surge or plunge by 20% plus in a single day. Pros of investing in Bitcoin: huge upside potential. Early adopters saw life-changing returns. Decentralization: no single government or bank controls it. Some see it as inflation insurance. Fixed supply: only 21 million Bitcoins will ever exist, so scarcity could drive value higher. Cons and wild volatility: you need nerves of steel for 50% plus crashes. Regulatory risk: governments could crack down. Security concerns: hacks, lost keys, and scams are real threats. A headline-grabbing success story: the Winklevoss twins put $11 million into Bitcoin in 2013, and today their stake is worth billions. But remember, for every success story, there are plenty who got burned in the dips. All right, now let's shift gears and talk about the stock market, the classic route to building long-term wealth. When you buy stocks, you're buying a piece of a company. If that company grows and turns a profit, your shares usually go up in value, and some even pay you dividends along the way. The S&P 500, which tracks 500 of America's largest companies, has averaged around 10% annual returns over the long haul. That's not as explosive as Bitcoin's ride, but it's far more consistent. Pros of investing in stocks: liquidity: you can buy or sell instantly on trading apps. Diversification: one ETF or index fund gives you exposure to hundreds of companies. Steady growth: you can sleep well. Knowing history favors the market's recovery. Cons: market swings. Crash cycles like 2008 or 2020 can still cut your portfolio in half. Research required: picking winners takes effort. Many prefer passive index funds. Consider Warren Buffett. He started small and with patient, value-driven picks, built a fortune north of $100 billion. And now let's bring it back to earth, quite literally with real estate. Real estate means buying physical property, houses, apartments, or commercial buildings, with two goals: capital appreciation and rental income. Typically, property values climb around 3 to 5% per year. Add in rental cash flow, and total returns can reach 10 to 12% annually, especially if you finance with a mortgage. Pros of real estate investing: tangible asset: you can see, touch, and manage your investment. Passive income: rent checks hit your account monthly. Tax perks: mortgage interest, depreciation, and other deductions can save you money. Cons: high entry cost, down payments, and closing fees add up fast. Illiquid: selling takes weeks or months, not seconds. Management hassles: tenants, maintenance, and repairs can be a grind. Barbara Corcoran famously borrowed $1,000 to start her real estate business and sold that empire for $66 million. So, which investment will make you richer? Bitcoin offers the chance for massive, quick gains, if you can stomach the wild swings. Stocks deliver balanced growth and liquidity, perfect for a buy-and-hold approach. Real estate provides tangible assets, steady income, and tax advantages, but it demands more capital and hands-on work. Best strategy? Diversify. Spread your money across crypto, stocks, and property. That way you'll cushion the downsides and ride more of the upside. Investing is isn't a get-rich-quick scheme. It's about patience, research, and a bit of luck. So do your homework, talk to financial pros, and choose wisely. If this helped you, hit like, subscribe, and share with a friend who's weighing these options. Comment below. Which one do you think will make you richer? Bitcoin, stocks, or real estate? And remember, it's not about timing the market, it's about time in the market. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.